This is Bill, and thanks for stopping by to take a look at my 1937 Chevrolet GD Series pickup truck. This truck was sold new by the Indian Creek Fruit Farm out of Ithaca, New York. That picture there is the original owners back in the day, and that picture, that shows the truck as it looked when they were finished using it, and the next year when Al had finished restoring it. Al had taken 40 years to enjoy this truck. Car shows, family trips, it's been everywhere, a part of his family and a part of his life. The truck had only 12,000 miles on it when Al found it. And in 2013, when Al transferred ownership to me, the truck had just 14,700 miles on it. The original keys, unpunched from 1937, changed hands last year. The truck is going to see itself be pampered a little bit more. It's going to spend its winters relaxing, as it did when Al had it. You can see from this photo here, Al kept it in the garage, 40 years on carpet, warm and protected as a family member would be. That fender is the original fender you saw in the other photo, all hammered, straightened out, no Bondo. The 216 blue flame, the undercarriage, even a lot of the stringers for the floor, all original to the truck. Robinson's Wood Shop, they put that bed back together. They matched all the original wood, used all the original hardware. The interior of the truck is as nice as it was on day one. The running boards, the radiator shell, and the window trim are new old stock. Owner number 2 Al Arnold secured those back in 1972 from a dealer in Argentina. In 1937, that gas tank was under the seat. 1938, they moved the filler neck outside the cab. The first year of the 3/4 ton truck, the GD designation helped people understand that this was something special. There was a lot of firsts for 1937. The drivetrain is all original to the truck, and again, shows just over 14,000 miles, having traveled from 1937 to the current time zone. Every spring, the mileage was recorded for 40 years. This truck is a beautiful example of a 1937 Chevrolet, and I'm proud to be the third owner of this truck, and will take care of it for many, many years. Thanks for looking. Stop back again and check out our other videos.